Hi guys, it's Tablescape Tuesday, and I'm so excited to share this tablescape with you all. On today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you my Dollar Tree inspired tablescape. This tablescape I call today our Lavishly Lemon Tablescape. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a mixture of high-end and low-end table decor. So this is a perfect example of sharing with you how you don't have to break the bank to create a beautiful tablescape. So guys, this is my inspiration, this beautiful lemon plate, dinner plate. Look how rich those green leaves are and the bright yellow lemons. I just think that this plate is just stunning. You know, I just happened to wander into the Dollar Tree store, and it wasn't my intention to go in and get any dishes or glasses or anything like that. However, of course, the dishes were sitting right at the front of the store, and they caught my eye immediately. And so I looked at them and I just thought, wow, I could create a really nice tablescape with these beautiful dishes. And so, of course, you go in the dollar store for one thing, and I came out with so many other things. And so I'm so excited again to share this tablescape with you all on today. I hope that you will enjoy it. I'm going to let the music play and allow you to enjoy the video. So guys, this is my version of the low-end and high-end decor for this particular tablescape. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe, especially for those of you that may be new to the channel. First of all, I'd like to say welcome and thank you for visiting my channel. And I upload a video every Tuesday with a new tablescape and a new theme. Thanks again to my faithful few that stop by every week. I appreciate you guys. I'm so glad to have had you here on today. And so I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. God bless.